Students, today we are going to study next accessories. The fourth accessory among these, it is carrier, catch plate and carrier. This is carrier. It has got one tail which get locked with this groove over here, and we need to insert job which we want to work in this hole and interlock this nut, by which rotary motion of headstock will be transferred to job, and we can work on the job properly when it is fixed center to center. So to transfer a rotary motion from headstock to the job, these catch plates, carriers are used. It has got this tail which can be engaged over here in this groove, and this screw, if we tight, it will be fixed to the job and rotary motion of headstock will be transferred to the job. So to transfer rotary motion to job, catch plate and carriers are used. Our next is faceplate. This is faceplate. It has got so many grooves over here. With these grooves, job can be gripped on the faceplate properly. Faceplate has internal threads over here. Because of internal threads, faceplate is fixed to headstock, and we can fix job to this. In this way, faceplate is used to grip jobs. Next one is angle plate. Suppose some jobs which are eccentric. Angle plate, both the surfaces are finished properly and maintained 90-degree angle over here. It has got so many grooves by which you can clamp job on the angle plate properly. The job which is eccentric, for example bend, if we want to work on the internal and outer diameter of bend, it has to fix to the faceplate. Angle plate will be clamped over here in this way, and then job will be clamped here, and rotary motion will be given by which eccentric jobs or 90-degree bend, these jobs can be worked with angle plate. So in this way, three parts we observe. First one is carrier or catch plate, which is used to transfer rotary motion from headstock to the job. Second, we observed faceplate. Faceplate also is used to clamp the jobs. The jobs which are heavy, which can't be clamped in chuck, those jobs will be clamped on faceplate. Here, so many grooves are there. With the help of nut and bolt, we can clamp job. This is faceplate. And third one is angle plate. Angle plate is clamped with faceplate, and the jobs which are eccentric, irregular shape, those can be worked, turned, or operations of turning can be carried out on those jobs which are eccentric or irregular shape. Angle plate will be used.